The sun was setting over the rolling hills, casting a warm orange glow over the small farm where a tiny white baby goat named Luna lived with her herd. She had always been a gentle soul, frolicking in the green pastures and playing with the other kids without a care in the world. But one day, something changed. Perhaps it was the constant teasing from the older goats, or maybe it was the fact that no one seemed to notice her unique white coat amidst the sea of brown and black fur. Whatever the reason, Luna found herself growing increasingly irritable, feeling like she didn't quite fit in. It started with small things, a misplaced patch of hay, an accidental step on a thorn bush. But before long, Luna's anger had simmered into a full-blown tantrum. She kicked and bucked, sending the other goats scattering as she stomped her hooves in frustration. As the days passed, Luna's anger only intensified. She began to see red at the slightest provocation, a misplaced straw, an unwarranted nuzzle from a friend. Her once luxuriant coat now hung dull and matted, reflecting the turmoil brewing inside. One day, as Luna was rampaging through the farmyard, she stumbled upon a small wounded bird lying in the dirt. Its wing was twisted at an odd angle, and its tiny eyes seemed to hold a deep sadness. For some reason, Luna's anger faltered, replaced by a pang of empathy. As she gazed down at the bird, Luna realized that her own life mirrored its struggles. Like the bird, she felt broken, trapped in a cycle of anger and hurt. The choice was clear. She could continue to lash out in frustration, or she could learn to heal and forgive. With a newfound sense of determination, Luna gently picked up the bird in her mouth and carried it back to its nest. As she watched the little creature struggle to free itself from its twisted wing, something within her shifted. Her anger seemed to dissipate, replaced by a sense of peace and compassion. The days that followed found Luna transformed. Her coat shone once more with its former luster, and her eyes sparkled with a newfound warmth. She no longer reacted to every little thing, instead choosing to respond with kindness and understanding. As the sun set over the hills once more, Luna lay down in the soft grass, feeling a deep sense of contentment wash over her. She knew that she still had moments of anger, but she also knew that she was capable of overcoming them, one small step at a time. And as she drifted off to sleep, the stars twinkling above like tiny reminders of her own transformation, Luna felt grateful for the journey and for the gift of forgiveness.